I always think it's really cool when the grapes are flowering. You don't see the pictures of that a whole lot, or think about how the grapes are flowering, but it's really cool looking to me. They send out their little flowers, and they're pollinated, little grapes start forming on there, so it's really neat. And let's see, walking over to a nearby one, you can see where the seeds are already starting to form really good. And let's see if I can get this to focus. Might be hard. Let's see if I can put it behind my hand. Yeah. Little grapes are starting to form on there and really coming along good. And it's really neat to me, seeing the little grapes and the grape flowers. And I love grapes. One of my favorite fruits, so this one's got a lot on it, so hopefully be getting some good grapes soon, so that's exciting.